FigureFirst Physics is an instructor-facing prototype for verified, diagram-led physics assessment. An instructor selects a mechanics topic, a learning objective, the student level, and the number of questions. The public demonstration runs locally in deterministic mode, without an API key. Here the system creates a 25-question mechanics exam. Each problem is represented by one approved parameter object, containing the physical quantities, units, answer, and diagram labels. That same object drives the student figure, the Brightspace-ready question, and 4 distinct answer choices. This keeps the visual and textual versions synchronized. The instructor key shows the correct answer and a worked calculation. Physical quantities remain attached to their units, instead of becoming detached numbers. The verification layer is the central feature. Ordinary program code independently recomputes the physics, checks that exactly one choice is correct, confirms units and required fields, and verifies agreement between the diagram and the approved parameters. I can deliberately see the defect. In this example, a displayed diagram label changes without changing the underlying answer key. The audit immediately reports a failed physics recomputation, a diagram parameter mismatch, and a release-blocked decision. The generated artifact is treated as a specification to test, not as an answer to trust automatically. After the defect is removed, all 6 checks pass again. The instructor can then export one coordinated Brightspace bundle containing the question records, student figures, instructor solutions, and import notes. The project is open source. Version 0.2.0. GPT 5.6 assisted the design, implementation, testing, documentation, and release preparation in ChatGPT. The application also contains an optional GPT 5.6 responsive API path using constrained structured output. This video demonstrates deterministic mode so judges can run it without a paid key. Codex has not yet been used in a verifiable coding session. Therefore, this draft makes no claim of a Codex session identifier. A real Codex review must still be completed before the final competition submission. FigureFirst Physics treats AI as a construction assistant, while explicit code and instructor judgment retain scientific authority.